Get a close-up with Ariel with the sippy cup. She's doing so good. Put it back in your mouth. Hold on. Oh. What did Mama do? Put it back in your mouth. Put it back in your mouth, honey. You're making cheese curdles in your throat, on your neck. Put it in your mouth. Okay. There you go. Now suck. Gotta lift it up, honey. Like that. Mama's not gonna do it. Quit looking at the camera. Ariel, there you go. Good job. Okay.